My name is Samir Ibrahim.
Hi, my name is Maddie Atwood.
My name is David Obi.
My name is Brandon Faison.
I'm a rising junior at Friends School of Baltimore, and I would say today during Ms. Robinson's college workshop, it was overall very informative. I would say that it was a great experience, and it definitely helped calm some nerves and also helped me know what to look out for in the future going into college admissions. I would say it also helped, I guess, you get a more realistic view of what to expect during college admissions, as there might be a lot of misinformation or unreal expectations when you're looking online and stuff like that. So I'd say that it was very informative, and I'm looking forward to come to the next session.
I'm a rising junior at Rockbridge Academy, and I'm part of the STEMcx program. And I got to attend a college workshop with Mrs. Robinson, and it was very opening and enlightening, and she was very encouraging to go to college and to be able to apply, and she gave us a lot of advice on how to apply and what to do in order to apply and how to research our college, and how she did it was very encouraging to participate in, and it was very back and forth conversations between many people.
I'm a rising sophomore at Towson High School. I'm in the STEMcx project coordination thing, and I really like Miss Robinson's thing because she's very interactive, she's very kind. I think she's not very judgy. I've been to other things like this. The coordinator is usually like, I don't know how to explain it, but I just think she's very friendly. She's also very informative, very smart, very educated, very kind, stuff like that. So you should give her a call.
I'm a rising senior at the Baltimore Polytechnic Institute, and today I was given the opportunity to attend Ms. Robinson's college workshop through the STEMcx internship, and I want to say it was very beneficial. It was very engaging. She gave me the opportunity to speak up a lot. She answered everybody's questions pretty well, and I would definitely recommend.
With the support of Students for Success, we are college bound ready. Win!